Oh my goodness, that's heavy. Be gone, abomination. When I bought this car, the right rear tyre didn't hold any air. I took it to the tyre shop to get it repaired on Thursday. And they did have a few misgivings because the tyre is pretty old. That carcass is 10 years old now, and I had to assure them it was just so I could move the car around in the shed because it was unregistered, it wasn't going on the road anytime soon. So they said, yep, no worries, we'll reseal the bead. And I picked it up this morning. It's good to go, it's full of air like the other three, so hopefully when it comes off jack stands the tyres won't be flat. So good outcome.